Hello everyone, my name is John and welcome to the channel, and yep, that's me. Now, let's venture along on my camping trip at Rainforest Park with me and my friends. No, it's not one of those silent camping video. I'll narrate, like it or not. You see that big bag over there? That's the Nature Hike Village 13, my first attempt to actually set up this tent, which is not too shabby, I reckon. It's a big tent and it took a while because it was my first time, but I think I managed to nail it. Not too bad, eh? Not too shabby for the first time. I've got my mates with me in this trip, sort of like our annual trip, but in this video, they are going to be the Calife because this video is about this channel, nowhere but here. It's a spanking new channel and I want you to come along with me on my outdoor photography and videography journey. I've got bitten by the camping bug in the middle of pandemic by about the same group of friends at Sungai Pao at Cameron Highlands, where we made YouTube videos, 9 of them in 3 days 2 nights. So check it out at the We Review channel. It is now dormant, but it's there for archival. Now from then on, I've been camping and I thought I will start a brand new channel to actually express some of my talent. Okay, John, cue the chef table music. Onions, leeks, stock, add water, and clean the mushroom. Now, I cannot pretend to be a chef because all I do is go on TikTok, learn some recipe, and then, try to cook something for me to eat at a camp. And that's the reality of things. So, mushroom soup it is for this round. I mean, I could get a can of mushroom and heat it up, I guess. But you can't get that kind of facial expression and the sizzling sound, and not much of a content for me to record and put it together as a video on YouTube, ain't it? But it is what it is. It is for content, the cooking. And I'm not very good at it, I gotta say, but it gives me joy to actually do it because number one, I got to eat. Number two, well, believe it or not, I get to learn how to cook. What a good excuse, eh? Siapa tak suka main masak-masak, kan? And playing some Italian music while trying to make mushroom soup in front of a camera. Why not? This video is not sponsored by KK Mart water. But I think with cooking content like this, it celebrates the idea of camping, being out there in the wild, and having videos in this channel will hopefully inspire you guys to join into the camping community, and maybe some reviews of camping equipment, share a bit lah, right? We go out there and use the good stuff. Let's take a break on the cooking because the mushroom soup needs to be simmered for 30 minutes, and an excuse for me to showcase some cinematic footages of the campsite together with my friends. Enjoy. I know by this time you'll be thinking, John, it's mushroom soup. How are you going to blend it? You don't have a blender, do you? Voila! Cream of mushroom, everybody. Success. Of course, success. Otherwise, it wouldn't make it into the final cut, ain't it not? Maybe next time I should show you guys some bloopers instead. Itadakimasu. I then joined back the rest of the gang for the rest of the dinner and hang out, chit chat before we call it a night. I did a little bit of night photography, so stay tuned towards the end of the video to check out what it is. Welcome to day 2 at Rainforest Camp at Genting Sempah. We are greeted with beautiful white mist. It's a little bit like umami for photography. The weather is pleasant, a little bit on the chilly side. You know, we are near Genting Sempah, so it's kind of nice. If you're like me, if you watch enough camping video, by the time you see someone making coffee, yet again, not another video like that. Oh, come on. I guess it's the sound of the grinder and the dripping water on the V60. That makes it complete, the ASMR experience. But I really, really love coffee. I mean, who doesn't, right? Coffee is life. And you can't, well, I can't function before coffee, so yeah, I've got to have one shot of coffee. Literally in a video and literally drinking it. I mean, seriously, look at that face, that grumpy face before coffee. Have I told you guys we are with a company of group of very talented photographers, and you have a misty morning with a lot of feel. Naturally, we are camp horse, so this happened. Photography has been the core to what I've decided to do for more than 2 decades now. It brought me to a lot of different experiences, different places, and different direction in my life. I may not be a chef or a barista. Heck, I'm constantly learning how to be outdoor and camp even. All that I do, the video that you see, is the glue for me to build my true north. Photography is the true north, and my true north. And I think camping is a great way to experience photography, because half the battle of photography, I believe, is showing up and be there. Camping allows me to do that. And photography will be the reason why I go out and camp. If you've noticed, the entire video has snippets of photos inserted to showcase photography whilst telling you my channel. Nowhere but now is a channel name, and let's hope I could continue to manifest my craft with this channel. And with that, let me save the best for the last. And I love these pictures captured at night. And if you do, and you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one.